Question 1. Who is the current Chief of the Indian Army? A. General Bipin Rawat. B. General Manoj Pandey. C. General N.M. Naravane. D. General Dalbir Singh Suhag. Explanation. As of 2024, General Manoj Pandey is the Chief of the Indian Army. He succeeded General M.M. Naravane in April 2022. Question 2. Which missile is considered India's longest-range intercontinental ballistic missile? A. Agni-1, B. Agni-5, C. Prithvi-2, D. Nirbhay. Explanation. Agni-5 is India's longest-range missile with a range of over 5,000 kilometers. It is capable of carrying nuclear warheads and reaching deep into enemy territory. Question 3. Which Indian Navy aircraft carrier was decommissioned in 2017? A. INS Vikramaditya, B. INS Vikrant, C. INS Virat, D. INS Arihant. Explanation. INS Virat, a Centaur-class aircraft carrier, served the Indian Navy for 30 years and was decommissioned in March 2017. Question 5. What is the role of the Indian Army Service Corps? A. Combat duties, B. Logistics and supply, C. Engineering works, D. Air defense. Explanation. The ASC handles the provision, procurement and distribution of essential supplies like food, fuel and transport services to the Army. Question 6. Operation Vijay was conducted in which conflict? A. 1971 Indo-Pak War, B. 1965 Indo-Pak War, C. Kargil War 1999, D. Operation Blue Star. Explanation. Operation Vijay was launched in 1999 during the Kargil conflict to evict Pakistani intruders from Indian territory in Jammu and Kashmir. Question 6. What is the motto of the Indian Army? A. Service before self, B. Touch the sky with glory, C. Always brave, D. Jai Hind. Explanation. Service before self is the official motto of the Indian Army, reflecting selfless service to the nation. Question 7. Who is known as the father of the Indian Air Force? A. Subroto Mukherjee, B. Arjun Singh, C. Homi Bhabha, D. K.M. Kariappa. Explanation. Subroto Mukherjee was the first Indian Chief of the Air Staff and is considered the founding father of the Indian Air Force. Question 8. Which is India's first indigenously built nuclear-powered submarine? A. INS Chakra, B. INS Vikrant, C. INS Arihant, D. INS Kalvari. Explanation. INS Arihant is the first nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine built under the Advanced Technology Vessel project. Question 9. Where is the headquarters of the Indian Western Command? A. Udhampur, B. Jaipur, C. Chandigarh, D. Pune. Explanation. The Western Command of the Indian Army is headquartered in Chandigarh and is one of the oldest commands. Question 10. What is the primary role of the National Cadet Corps? A. Combat training, B. Naval operations, C. Youth development and discipline, D. Border security. Explanation. The NCC focuses on developing leadership, discipline and patriotism among Indian youth through training and social service.